Hello, and welcome to Take Five with Tara. I'm your host, Tara Schinkel from Stewart Technologies. Today, we're going to talk about a new feature that is being shown in Sage Distribution and Manufacturing Operations, or SDMO for short. It's called the Customer 360 View. So, you're going to see I'm going to head over to Sales, Customer, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Levin Furniture customer view, and you're going to see I'm going to slide this navigation tool over to the left. And what I want to point out is in your standard Sage distribution view, you're able to see all the information about a customer just by simply clicking on the different tabs. But let's say I want to get a more holistic view about my customer, their addresses, their orders. So you're going to see over here on the right, I'm going to click on my 360 view, and to enable it, I'm just going to slide the toggle switch over. So now you'll see my 360 view is on. And now what you'll see here is I actually have a dashboard with information regarding my customer. So up at the top, we have our KPI widget, which talks about the last order booked, if there's a credit limit, total amount invoiced, and total gross profit. On the left-hand side, we have just the contact information. Note I can toggle the view simply by clicking on the building icon versus the contact icon. So you'll see I have the ability to change my information there. And note as I drag the window down, I do have the ability to take action. So if I want to see the contacts or see the addresses, I have the ability to do that here. Over on the right, I have my sales dashboard and widget. So I can do open sales orders that are on time, or for this particular customer, maybe I want to know if I have any sales orders that are currently late. I actually do. Over here, you'll see I've got my delivery date, shipping date, amount, gross profit, their current status. And if I click on the three dots, I can print the sales order, I can email the sales order, I can allocate stock, and you'll see if I click the allocation, I can actually submit a request straight from here. I can also create an invoice, or I can choose to delete. So right within this 360 view, I can actually interact with the data. Also, if I'm on the phone with the customer and let's say they want to create a new order, I can actually hit the create order here and have it launch a new sales order. So the view is completely customizable. So I can either edit widgets, duplicate widgets, I can add widgets. And as this new feature expands, there'll be additional widgets that could be added. So in here, if I hit create, you can see I have the different template. I have my default view. So I can choose which widgets I want to see in this 360 view. Once I'm done working with the 360 view, I can click the toggle switch and disable 360 to turn it back off and have my regular information under the customer view. Thank you so much for joining me today. And again, this is Tara Schinkel from Stewart Technologies.